Hello geeks! In this video I will show you how easy it is to set up Windows 10 for dual boot. To start with, right-click a Windows ISO image, then select Mount to mount it as a virtual DVD drive. If Mount does not appear in the right-click menu, you can also select Open With and then choose Windows Explorer. Note the drive letter it gets assigned. In my case now it shows up as drive J. Select the partition on which to deploy Windows. That partition must be on an internal disk and formatted. In my case now I will deploy to the F drive. Open an elevated command prompt. Check the index value for the edition you want to install. I select the Pro edition, which on this ISO has an index value of 6. Deploy the chosen edition to the selected partition. The version of Windows I just deployed must be added to the boot menu using the bcd boot command. With command bcd edit, we can check that everything worked. The new installation is added as a default OS with the ID default. It's the one that's automatically booted if the user makes no selection within the given time frame. By default, that's 30 seconds. The main OS, the one we are currently signed into, has the ID current. By default, all installed Windows 10 operating systems get the same description, Windows 10. That can be very confusing. I will rename the new OS as Video Edit because I will use it to encode and edit videos, which is quite resource hungry. I will later strip down this installation to the barest minimum, only allowing services, features and applications required to work with videos. Now the boot menu is looking better. It's time to restart and finish the Windows setup. That's it. Windows has been installed on dual boot. I can now start customizing it to cater to my needs. Because I installed the same edition as my main OS, it will be automatically activated based on that existing digital license. Thanks for watching.